Let's get one thing straight. When someone asks you if you want sex on the beach, it's probably not what you think, unless you're at a bar. In which case, yes, it's a cocktail. And no, you don't have to make eye contact when you order it. But let's be real. How did this flirty drink become the international symbol of spring break mischief and questionable decisions? Welcome back, my cocktail connoisseurs and beach bum bartenders. Today we're diving headfirst into a drink that's as fun to say as it is to sip, the sex on the beach. This neon-colored classic has been shaking up pool parties and lighting up nightclub menus since the 80s, right alongside shoulder pads, mixtapes, and questionable dance moves. But where did it come from? What's in it? And how do you make it like a pro? Well, grab your peach schnapps and let's find out. All right, story time. Grab your flip-flops and a bottle of peach schnapps. We're going back to the magical land of mullets and Miami Vice, Florida, 1987. So here's how it actually went down. We're in Coconut Creek, a small town in South Florida. Not exactly a party capital, but that's where our hero enters. Ted Pizio, a local bartender at Confetti's Bar. Yes, that was really the name. The man wasn't trying to create a legendary cocktail. He was just trying to win a sales contest. Enter stage left. National Distribution, a liquor company with a problem. They had just launched peach schnapps, specifically DeKuyper peach schnapps, and no one was buying it. So what did they do? They went full 80s corporate wild and offered bartenders a reward. Whoever sold the most peach schnapps would win $1,000 and a trip to Daytona Beach for spring break. Yep, $1,000 and a beach trip. That's all it took to write cocktail history. Ted, being no dummy, thought to himself, what are people in Florida here for? The answer? Sex and the beach. Boom, Sex on the Beach was born. A drink as irresistible as its name. Ted mixed up vodka, peach schnapps, orange juice, and cranberry juice. Simple, sweet, and seductive. It wasn't crafted in a posh Manhattan speakeasy. It wasn't refined by an elite mixologist. It was birthed in a neon-lit party bar during a schnapps sales contest. And honestly, that makes it perfect. Turns out, naming a cocktail Sex on the Beach was a genius move. Customers laughed, ordered it out of curiosity, and kept coming back. The drink exploded across bars nationwide. Suddenly, every college kid and cruise ship was serving it, and DeKuyper's peach schnapps sales skyrocketed. And Ted Pizio? He won the contest, the cash, and the trip to Daytona. Legends say he kept bartending for years, probably still laughing at the fact that a spur-of-the-moment name turned into a cultural phenomenon. Talk about a happy hour legacy. And, just like that, an icon was born. No marketing agency, no branding team, just booze and beach hormones. Let's talk ingredients. The classic Sex on the Beach includes 1.5 ounces vodka, a neutral spirit to keep it clean, 3/4 ounce peach schnapps, sweet, fruity, and suspiciously good, 1.5 ounces orange juice, for that sunshine flavor, 1.5 ounces cranberry juice, for a tart twist and gorgeous color. Some bartenders like to add a splash of Chambord or melon liqueur to jazz it up, but keep it simple if you're serving 300 sunburned tourists in one night. Adding an ingredient, or taking one out, can change the whole drink's name. Put Malibu rum in place of the vodka, and you now have Sex on Malibu Beach. The result? A drink that's sweet, fruity, and dangerously easy to chug. It tastes like a beach party in a glass, with just enough tartness to keep it from being a sugar bomb. All right, let's make one. Grab a shaker and fill it with ice. Add your vodka and peach schnapps. Pour in your orange and cranberry juices. Shake it like it owes you money, or like you're trying to drown out the sound of Jimmy Buffett playing for the 7th time today. Now strain it into a highball or hurricane glass filled with ice. Garnish with an orange wedge, a cherry, and, if you're feeling extra, a little umbrella to tell people, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Fun facts and variations. Did you know there are dozens of variations? There's the woo-woo, basically a sex on the beach without orange juice. The hairy navel, drop the cranberry. The madras, lose the peach. You've also got frozen versions, shooters, and mocktails for when you want to behave but still sound scandalous. And in Germany they call it Sex am Strand, so now you can offend bartenders in multiple languages. You're welcome. So whether you're a bartender slinging drinks at a beachside resort, a cocktail enthusiast throwing a retro party, or just someone who appreciates the weird, wild, wonderful world of 80s cocktails, sex on the beach has earned its place in cocktail history. If you like this video, smash that like button like it's your first day of spring break. Subscribe for more cocktail recipes, bar history, and all the booze-fueled trivia you never knew you needed. And hey, drop a comment below with your best vacation cocktail story. The messier, the better. Until next time, stay classy, shake responsibly, and remember, no actual beaches were harmed in the making of this drink. Cheers.